Hello everyone, it's Natasha. Thank you for joining me. It's just a quick video. It's not exactly an unboxing video because I received my package a couple days ago, and I of course opened it straight away, and I already made a project with it. I'll leave a link below the video for my first layout with this kit. So I'll just quickly walk you through this amazing, absolutely amazing package that I received, and I've already calmed down, so this will be a very calm and rational and you know, professional video. No screaming or nothing, because I've already calmed down. The kit is still available on Hip Kit Club site, so you might want to check this out. So okay, let's start with the main kit, okay, which has a lot, like really a lot. So, well, the most important thing, of course, the paper, which I absolutely love. This is Indigoblue Hills collection from PinkFresh Studio, and I have 2 sheets of each page, so I can show you both sides. So love this one. Okay. Oh, and also this one. I've already used it, so I don't have the second one. So this one. Isn't it gorgeous? Love these flowers. Nice wash of purple. And I'm not even a purple girl, you know, but I absolutely love this collection. Beautiful blue color. These, yeah, I already have an idea for this dark layout. This red, it's really, people are going crazy about it, and there are amazing products all over internet, so you might want to have a look at this. This one is also amazing, and this is American Crafts Maggie Holmes collection, foil and vellum. I don't know if you can actually see all the shimmer, and it's just breathtaking, seriously. This is Amy Tangerine, also from American Crafts. So, and this is Crate Paper Collection from American Crafts as well. Willow Lane collection from Maggie Holmes, which is absolutely amazing. Love all these houses. Okay, so here's the paper. Then you get Puffy Alpha stickers from PinkFresh. It's again Indigo Hills 2 collection. Then gold foiled wood stickers, which I absolutely love. Then ephemera pack, and also you get this phrases, chipboard phrase stickers. Then rub-ons and this adorable bows. Okay, so this is the main kit, main Hip Kit Club kit. I also got collection of cardstock, which matches perfectly the main kit. So this is basil cardstock. So you have some amazing colors, right? I've used Wisteria already for my layout, and also some white, which is, you know, I'm a big fan of white, so I'll definitely use this soon. Then there is an embellishment kit, which is an add-on, and you can purchase it separately. So you have washi tape here, flowers from Amy Tangerine. Then these are really cool. I mean, Gal meets Glam, from my mind's eye. So 12, you get 12 acrylic stickers. These are absolutely adorable. Chipboard letter stickers. So you get on both sides, so quite a lot. And you have three letters of each, so, or even more. Like you have 4 C's, 5A, so quite a lot, so you can really make up a lot of phrases or words with it. And this is also Indigoblue Hills PinkFresh Studio collection, chipboard stickers. I mean, wow, just I don't have enough words for this, really, you guys. I mean, it's amazing. And the last but not least, I also purchased one more add-on. That's a color Hip Kit Club color kit. So you get vibes and spritz, mustard seeds, cotton candy, from shimmers. I've never played with shimmers, so I was really looking forward to play with them. And let me tell you, I haven't much time to play with them yet, but what I have done with them, I really love this. Shimmers Wisteria Lane. Again, gorgeous. It looks very dark, but in fact it's not. It's really shimmery and really beautiful. And again, I as I said, I'm not even a purple girl. I don't really use purple color, but I'm absolutely in love with these kits. And also you get a set from Vicky Boutin, flowers and lovely leaves, and you get dies as well, so you can die cut these leaves. So, well, that's it. I can't wait to create more with this kit. It's really amazing. And yeah, so you might want to give it a try, because it's a good price point and you get a lot in the kit. And yeah, for hours to create, you can create for hours. Thank you for dropping by. Have a great day and speak to you soon again.